Today we are going to discuss about safety valves in boiler. Here you can see this is the boiler and this one is the safety valve. So if you zoom in, then you will see there is a safety valve like this on the boiler. So welcome to my YouTube channel, Mechanical Engineering Management. There are basically 4 types of safety valves. Dead weight safety valve, here you can see. Lever loaded safety valve, spring loaded safety valve, and high steam and low water safety valve. So in this video, we will focus on this spring loaded safety valve. So in this video, we will discuss about the spring loaded safety valve. At the end of this video, you will be able to understand function, location, principle, construction, working, and at last animation of spring loaded safety valve. And according to IBR, that means Indian Boiler Regulation, the following mounting should be fitted to the boilers. And in the previous video, we have discussed about steam pressure gauge as well as water level indicator. So now it's turn for the safety valve. It is one of the boiler mountings, here you can see. So you can understand it is essential and compulsory part of boiler. So let's start with the function of the spring loaded safety valve. Here you can see this is the spring loaded safety valve on the boiler. And this is the figure you can use for the examination. This is one more image of the spring loaded safety valve. This is also spring loaded safety valve. It is used to maintain safe pressure inside the boiler. If the steam pressure in the boiler drum exceeds the working pressure, it permits the steam from the boiler to escape to the atmosphere until the safe working pressure in the boiler is reached again. So you can see in short, steam pressure in the upward direction is balanced by downward spring force. Now the location. They are placed at top of the boiler shell. Here you can see. And according to boiler regulation, there are 2 safety valves required on the boiler. Now, principle of the spring loaded safety valve. Initially, a valve is pressed against a seat. Here you can see, through some external spring force. When the steam force corresponding to boiler pressure, that means from this side, acting under the valve, exceeds the spring force, that means external force, the valve gets lifted off its seat, allowing some of the steam to escape until the working pressure is restored again. That means if the spring force is less than the pressure of the steam, then the valve will be lifted, and so that some of the steam from the boiler shell will escape to the atmosphere. Quantity of the safety valve. As per boiler regulations, each boiler must be fitted with at least 2 safety valves. Now construction of the spring loaded safety valve. Figure shows a ram's bottom spring loaded safety valve. It has a cast iron body which is provided with 2 channels, here you can see, for the flow of steam. And these 2 channels are connected to a valve chest, here you can see. The flange of this valve chest, that means this one, is bolted to the boiler shell, and each channel has a separate valve. So keep in mind that this is 2-channel Ramsbottom spring-loaded safety valve. It can be the single channel also. A lever is placed over the valves by means of 2 pivots. Here you can see. And this one is the lever. The lever is held tight at its proper position by means of this spring. During operation, the working of the valve is checked by pulling the projected end of the lever. Now, working of spring-loaded safety valve. When steam pressure in boiler is equal to working pressure, or you can say design pressure, the upward force exerted by boiler steam on the valve is balanced by downward force of spring. Under this condition, the valve lies on its seat tightly and the steam will not escape from the boiler as shown in this figure. So this is the situation when steam pressure is equal to design pressure, or you can say less than design pressure. Now next, when steam pressure in the boiler is more than working pressure, or you can say more than design pressure, the upward force exerted by boiler steam on the valve is more than downward force of the spring. So the valves automatically open and the steam escapes to the atmosphere till the pressure falls back to the working pressure. So these are the different two cases. In first case, the steam pressure is less than or equal to working pressure, and the second case, when the steam pressure is more than the working pressure or design pressure of the boiler. More images of spring-loaded safety valve. So here you can see Ramsbottom safety valve with 2 channels, and this one is the spring. In this figure, the steam pressure force is less than or equal to spring force, and this figure is the 2-channel Ramsbottom type spring-loaded safety valve. Here you can see the different 2 positions. In first figure, the steam pressure force is less than or equal to spring force, and in the second figure, the steam pressure force is greater than spring force. So if the steam pressure force is less than or equal to spring force, the valve will not open, whereas in second figure, the steam pressure force greater than the spring force, then the valve will lift and steam will escape. Here you can see the valve will lift in the second figure, and it is like that when the steam pressure exceeds, or you can say steam pressure force is greater than spring force, the steam will escape to the atmosphere from the boiler by lifting the valve. Here you can see. Now next, advantages of spring-loaded safety valve. And here you can see the model of the spring-loaded safety valve. So you can remember the figure in the examination. Elimination of heavy weight, easy maintenance and examination. That means for the service. Not affected by jerks and vibrations. Applications. These valves are suitable for both low and high pressure boilers. They are also suitable for both stationary and non-stationary boilers. More images. Here you can say this is the single channel spring loaded safety valve. And now we are going to see the animation of the spring loaded safety valve. And I have taken this video from the industry, so you can realize how it exactly works. So this is the single channel spring loaded safety valve. Here you can see the steam pressure is gradually increasing. So look at carefully once again. So here animation of the single channel spring loaded safety valve for understanding. If you want to see more engineering videos, then subscribe my YouTube channel and go to playlist. Thanks my dear friends. Press the like button to appreciate this video.